Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to host a Next.js website on Hostinger. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to next.config.mjs, okay, on your website, and change the output to export. And then we come to package.json and we'll change this one. Basically we'll delete the export section right here. We delete that. And for build, okay, I want you to go ahead and make sure it is next build. And then what you do is you go ahead and open that in a terminal, right? So now what you want to do is just type in npm run build, okay? And then I want you to just wait a little bit until this one basically starts. And after that, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and go to next out right here, and then copy everything and then paste it in the other folder right here. Just paste it in, and once it is here it should be running. Okay, so if you refresh your page it should work. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.